My name is Sebastian Knirsch. I'm working at Voith for 9 years. I'm responsible in the R&D department for the Voith Turbo rail for the system simulation. We address a lot of challenges to Amesim. For instance, the complete powertrain, it's starting with the gearboxes, with the cardan shafts, the engine, and so on. And to combine these different components to the whole system. So we check the overall system behavior, the performance, the fuel consumption of the train, and we also combine it with subsystems, for instance a cooling unit, detailed gearbox behavior, including the torque converter, the internal oil flow, and so on. And we can address all these topics to Amesim and to get on very detailed information of the system and the behavior. It's very useful to have a lot of different libraries and a lot of different physical worlds. The state-of-the-art design process for cooling units is we know the heat energy we have to handle with the cooling module, and we design the cooling module for steady-state conditions. With Amesim we can address the transient system behavior and to optimize the cooling module for this standard process. For instance, the thermal capacity of the water, of the steel material in the cooling unit can storage a lot of heat energy, and these transient effects we can use in the cooling system or in the cooling design. So with Amesim, optimized cooling unit can be smaller, can be cheaper, can be more energy efficient designed. With LMS Amesim, we changed the engineering process extremely with the possibilities we can address to Amesim. We get new informations about our system, and we get new information about the system interaction.